Welcome to monumentalmath.com. We're going to do order up, set 2. Okay, we're going to be given fractions and you have to put them in order from smallest to biggest. Okay, first thing we have to do is have common denominators. So you look at the biggest one. Can each of these go into it? Yes. So then that is the common denominator. So each of these has to be made into 12ths. 2 times 6 is how you get 12. So then 1 times 6 will give you 6. 4 times 3 is how you make 12ths. So the numerator times 3 gives you 9. Now you look at them and you say, okay, that one's the smallest, 5 twelfths. 6 twelfths had to be the next bigger, which is the 1/2. And then obviously the 3/4 had to be the biggest one. Okay? Another thing you can do is, this is 1/2. This is bigger than 1/2. This is a little less than 1/2. So this has to be the tiniest. That's in the middle, and that has to be the biggest one. Let's try another one. We'll do common denominators first, then we'll try that other method. 8, 4, and 12 are the denominators. You look at the biggest one. Can these divide into it? No. So double this when you get 24. Can 8 and 4 go into 24? Yes. That becomes your common denominator. Okay. 7/8 made into 24, so we multiply by 3. So the numerator times 3 gives us 21. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 6 to get 24, so multiply the numerator by 6 and you get 18. Multiply by 2, so multiply this numerator by 2 and you get 10. Then you just have to look at your numerators. This is the smallest, so 5 twelfths. Next is 18 24ths, so that would be the 3/4. And that's got to be the largest, 7/8. Okay? Now, if we look at it, if we think of 1/2 as the dividing line, 5 twelfths is a little less than a half, so it had to be the first one. Then this makes 6/8, that's 7/8, so 6/8 is smaller than 7/8. Okay? But you can always do it by finding the common denominator. Let's look at these. 3/5, 4/7, and 7/20. Look at your biggest denominator. Can 5 or 7 go in? Not both of them. So double it to 40. Can this go in? No. Triple it, 60. Can they go in? No. You end up having to take it times 7. So 20 times 7 gives you 140 as the common denominator. That's a pretty big denominator, but you can do it. Okay, 5 times what gives you 140? 5 times 20 gives you 100. 5 times 8 gives you 40. So 5 times 28. This times 28. 3 times 28. 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 8 is 18. 18 and 60 make 78. 7 times 2 makes 14, so 7 times 20 makes 140. 4 times 20 is 80. 20 made into 140, you have to multiply by 7. So this times 7 gives you 49. Now you have to put them in order. This was the smallest, so that would be the 7/20. Then 78 is smaller than 80, so the next one was 3/5. And the last one had to be the 4/7. Now we have 7/20, 3/5, and 4/7. So now that we have them in order, you're done. So now you go ahead and give it a try. Order up. Set 2. Good luck and enjoy the challenge.